In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a gaming headset on the Nintendo Switch. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over the two main ways to use a gaming headset on your Nintendo Switch, meaning that you will be able to hear any audio coming from the games or applications, and if your headset has a mic included like most do, you will also be able to use it to talk in voice chats or talk to others whenever a microphone is an option. So, the primary way of connecting a gaming headset to your Nintendo Switch is going to be by using the headset or headphone jack. So all that you have to do is look usually at the top of your Nintendo Switch for most models until you see the headphone jack as I've highlighted here. All that you have to do now is plug the gaming headset into the headset jack. Assuming that you only have one connection, both for the audio and the microphone, as soon as you connect the gaming headset into the Switch, using this port, you will be good to go. The microphone should be set up, the volume should be adjusted, and primarily you will be able to hear all the sounds coming from the Nintendo Switch. So it is compatible with all games as soon as you connect it in. Now, alternatively, if you don't want to use the headphone jack, there is an alternative option, which is Bluetooth. Of course, your gaming headset needs to have Bluetooth capabilities, but if it does, all that you have to do is put it in pairing mode and then go over to the settings of your Nintendo Switch, where you will be able to find the Bluetooth devices settings and you can start the pairing of the headphone that you want to use. So just go into pair devices and it is going to get detected by the Nintendo Switch and promptly connected. As long as it has enough battery and it sustains Bluetooth mode, you will be able to get the audio that way as well without a cable. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a gaming headset on the Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.